Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Google form and make one that's effective for collecting and analyzing data. So first thing you want to do is open a web browser and go to Google Forms. So do a search for it, then click on the link, go to Google Forms, and I'm going to choose a blank questionnaire. I'm going to give it a name, something I can remember, so I'll write this design questionnaire, and if you spell it wrong, you got your spell check. And then I click up here, and it's going to give it the same name as the file. So when I go to look for this again, I can just type in design, and this will be one of the ones that populates, and give it a description. This is a question. Oops, there. For design class. So down here I have untitled question, and I can click on this here, these 6 dots, and I can change the type of question I want to use. I can do checkboxes. That allows me to have multiple answers. So if you want to ask, do you like cats, dogs, or birds, they can click all the ones they like. You can do multiple choice. So do you like cats? Yes, no. Or do you like, which animal do you prefer? Cats, dogs, birds. You can format it in a lot of different ways, but the way that you format it should be, what you should take into account is what sort of responses you're going to get, because Google Forms will do a lot of the analytics for you and set up nice charts and tables that you can read to make comparisons. So what I like to do is multiple choice questions, although sometimes, let's see, short answer and paragraph are really helpful too when getting opinions. So you can limit the amount of words that people are going to write in it. And then, so question 1, what is your favorite animal? And cats. I can add an option now, dogs. And then I can add another, which is a column where they can just write in their answer. And then I can make the question required. That means they cannot submit the survey until they've answered this question. So I'm going to go over here to a pre-filled form. This one was given in design class. I was trying to figure out if you guys knew how to do area and unit rates. So kind of an increasing skeleton questions. But once I sent this out, you hit send, you add email addresses to this. This is how you can get more people. You just put their email in here, or you can get a link right here, copy the link, and then paste the link in an email or something like that. Also, that link is where you would, the link option, where you go here, you copy the link. When you want to submit your form for me to evaluate, that's the link that you would submit in your Summit PLP. So under responses, now I can go through, because I made it a multiple choice question, I can see what percent of students answered in what area. So it looks like 68.7% of students know area and volume based in a word question. And then, let's see here, so 55% can take this question apart to figure out the perimeter. So that means we need to do a little work on perimeter for review for students and a little review on area. And let's see, if I want to add another question, I just hit either duplicate, or I can go up here and add. And you can also add images. So go to add image, and then say you took a screenshot of one of your t-shirts and wanted to put it in here. You would have your image somewhere on your desktop. And let's see if it supports PNG type images. So there, I put in the hammer crossbones logo, and then I can change this to skull. And then I can change this question to, let's see, would you purchase a t-shirt with the logo below on it? And then, oops, my bad. You got to put that in the question. So I hit Command C, Command V, and then for my option 1, yes. Option 2, no. And then so people can look at that and then they can select their option. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for your time.